YouTube. I'm doing a video on the Colt 1911 Blackwater edition CO2 gas pellet gun. The way to disassemble it is to pull the top receiver back a bit, and there's a bar here that goes through. It looks like a button, but it's actually a bar. Push that so it releases on the other side while holding the top receiver back. Then you pull the bar out, then literally slide off the top. If you had your magazine in, you wouldn't be able to do this. You have to release the magazine or it won't disassemble. You can take the springs out here and in there, which I'll show you in a second. You can clean inside here, inside that part there. The pellet can get stuck in, so you can pop it out and pull this back, which I'll show you in a second. So to get the front part out and pull the spring out, you need to push this button, twist that, this pops out, then you can pull the spring out of here, then you can pull this bit back, if it wants to come out, like that. And then this bit will come out as well, and then this part here you can pull forward. So if you get a jam, let me show you, point inside there, if you get a jam that comes up here and gets stuck in this part here, you can get a piece of wire and thread it through, or if you get compressed air, you can sort of just blow it in there and it should pop out. I've had to do that before. And if you get a jam in your actual barrel, or if you just want to clean it, preferably you should do it from that end, because you can just get the pipe cleaner down there. But if you have to, if there's a jam in this end, you can put pipe cleaner down this way, and then it should just pop out there. Other than that, you can pretty much clean everything on the insides. Clean on the inside of the handle. And to put it back together, I'll quickly show you. First put this bit in the front there. Put the spring of the metal on that end. Push quite hard and connect it to this bit. Then put in the top spring. Then push this, twist it back so it makes that click. Get the handle, the top part, slide it back, and repeat the same process. Hold this back, put that in there, let go. And I think I made a mistake. That feels a bit stiff. So if you've done what I've just done, it means I put the top spring in the wrong way around, which I'll show you just in case you do what I did, which is this part. This top spring here has to go in a certain way. And how you can tell, which I didn't pay attention to before, is it has 4 coils together there, and that end has to go in that way. It should have the least amount of coils together facing out of the barrel, otherwise it won't fit. There we go, it feels smoother. And slide it back together, and that should go smooth. There we go. Just do a quick fire test. Yeah, that seems fine. Thank you for watching. Hope it helped.